3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, today's forecast basically went as expected. We had some showers this afternoon. It was a hot, muggy morning, and now things starting to look a little bit better, and that is what we're going to do all over again tomorrow. Let's start with a look at the satellite and radar picture, though. Showers lingering out through eastern parts of St. Landry Parish, mostly, though, out over towards the east from about the basin eastwards. You do have some showers up through the river parishes, getting onwards over towards Mississippi. Showers down over through Houston. And again, really easing up here in Acadiana. Had another wet afternoon through portions of Acadiana. Again, not everyone saw the showers today. Some areas down towards St. Mary avoided a lot of that shower activity. Same with some of the places down closer towards the coastline. And tomorrow we'll do it all over again. The forecast in the next 24 hours are really not going to be changing a whole lot. We start to see some heavier showers on tap for this weekend. This weekend still looks like it's going to be a little bit on the soggy side. We'll have some of that heavy moisture work its way up into the Gulf of Mexico. You got high pressure that's sitting out over towards our east. So all that moisture going to wrap around the edge here and I think really push up into Texas. This could mean some very wet weather for Houston down through southeastern Texas, but enough moisture though that it is going to spill out. We're kind of on the periphery of things right now. I still think that we could end up with about 2 to 4 inches worth of rainfall. And the way these tropical showers go, if you get them to start setting up in the right places, well, then you start to see these numbers increase a little bit, and that's if you start to get a train of showers that come in off the Gulf of Mexico. Right now, we're going to go 2 to 4. Locally, though, you could double some of those numbers in some areas if you do get unlucky and you start to see those showers setting up. Regardless, I still think the worst of it is going to be out over towards the Houston area. Maybe not the best weekend to head out over towards the west. If you had plans to head out towards Houston, not going to be getting much in the way of sunshine at all. In fact, a very wet scenario from Texas through Acadiana. Does look a little bit better out over towards the east, though. So if you're planning on going to New Orleans this weekend, I think that you could avoid a lot of the worst of it. In the meantime, kind of dealing with the same old pattern here today and even into Saturday. I think the rain chances increase a little Saturday, but still not going to be too bad. If you have anything to do, I would recommend doing it early in the weekend and trying to get all your chores done as soon as possible. Let's run through the models here. Getting into tomorrow afternoon, we'll start off on the quiet side, and then we'll start to see those showers picking up and spreading out throughout the course of the afternoon. Futurecast underdoing it a little bit, I think, and did so yesterday as well, especially once we start sneaking a peek out over towards the weekend. Really kind of cuts off a lot of that moisture, but there's going to be enough moisture there that I would actually probably increase the rain chances from what Futurecast is indicating for both Saturday and Sunday. I'd imagine that by the time we get to Sunday afternoon, we start to see the heavier showers setting up across the area, mostly cloudy skies, and certainly the heavy stuff out over towards Houston as well. That pattern looks to continue forwards into early parts of the work week as well before it does start to improve just a little bit. In the meantime, temperatures going to run the way they did today. If you avoided the showers, you got up into the low 90s. Those of us who had some of the rainfall saw the temperatures stay in the upper 80s this afternoon, and tomorrow is going to be more of the same. Look for the lows to get down into the upper 70s, about 77 degrees for Lafayette early tomorrow morning. That's for tomorrow morning's commute. 76 down through New Iberia. Ville Platte at about 73. Again, if you don't have the showers, look for those highs to get into the low 90s. If you do have the rainfall, probably going to be sitting in the mid to upper 80s somewhere, depending on when the showers get going. Same thing for Saturday. 76, I think a little bit cooler because we will have a little bit more in the way of cloud cover, but the heat index still going to be up there because even with the clouds, that means more humidity, so still not quite comfortable outside. 76 degrees for your overnight low tonight. Nearly calm conditions, basically repeating last night's forecast. A look ahead into tomorrow. 91 degrees for your high. It will be a hot, humid morning. We'll give way to showers and thunderstorms by the afternoon. We'll go 50% on the rain chances for tomorrow. Again for Saturday, and then Sunday, Monday look to be rather wet. Not too much sunshine over the weekend. Next week doesn't look too bad, though. I think we could see some improvement, maybe even a little drier as well.
All right, looking forward to that. Thanks, Daniel.